Hi, welcome to my channel Frat. In this video, I will show you how you can put your website to maintenance mode using WP-CLI. It is a very simple solution that most of the website owners want to enable when their website is in maintenance mode. Just install the various plugins and definitely the plugin that provide advanced functionality as well, but the solution is very simple that you can do it by yourself with a simple single command. So let's go ahead. I have this website running in my local machine, which is simple.local. I am running this application using WP local at my local machine, and I want to refresh the page to show that the website is available. For some reason, when I want to update this website, I want that the customers or the users of the website do not access this website while the website is being updated, to make sure that the data is consistent. Okay, so for that purpose, I will go to this a shell, and it is the terminal application, and in Windows you can also use a command prompt, etc. So WPCLA has a simple command which is WP and maintenance mode status. When I run this command, this shows me the message that the maintenance mode is not active. In order to activate this maintenance mode, we have a command which is wp maintenance mode activate. Okay, so once I run this command, you can see it shows that the maintenance mode has been activated. Let's go to our browser and refresh the page. Okay, so now that you see the maintenance mode has been activated and our website is now inaccessible for the public users. Once you are finished upgrading your website and you want to turn it back on for the customers or the user, you can again go to this CLI, and we have a command WP maintenance mode deactivate. So as soon as we run this command, our website will again become accessible. I hope to like my video. I will have more videos on WP-CLI in the later session. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and press the bell icon, and you will get the notification when the new video arrives. Until then, take care. Bye bye.